Guys, today is a big day. I finally got my hands on a brand new camera and with Holyland what do you call it? Microphone. And I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. This right here is going to make my content the next level, and I've been using my old camera for a while now, and wow, it's been great. It was definitely time for an upgrade. Alright, let's not waste time, guys. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. What's inside? Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, man, this feels so good in my hand. The build quality is amazing, and I can already tell this is going to be a game changer. This one. Look how they package. Look. This is how they package. So here we got the accessories here, then the camera here. I cannot wait to test this out and show you guys the difference in quality. But remember, since I got the new camera, that means my old one might be going to one of you. This is the booklet. Seems like a booklet. I don't know for the instructions or something. And this one is the charger. Wow, guys, wow! Didn't expect this. Seems like this one is a casing. Didn't expect a case. What? Guys. I'm really happy, guys. We've got this one. Let me put it here. And we have got an extra battery. Here. This is the extra battery. Seems like it's big, different from the one that I used to here. And this one, what are these ones? So this one is the casing guide. I don't know. That is the casing. Then here, I'm going to open everything. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Guys, I don't know. Maybe this one and the lenses or something. I don't know. How often? Put the camera, this one. Maybe on my car like this, then I put the camera. But this one, I will ask someone or I will check. No, I will check. If I ask, maybe that person is already using the camera in the wrong place. So I'll just check on the instruction. I won't hesitate to reach. Great. So what's next? Then here we have got the camera. Now this is the camera. As you can see, it's new. In Zimbabwe, we call it a region. Tighten the length, protecting carbon before taking in water. So which means this thing can get in the water. That's all. Wow. So this is the camera. Yeah, it's very small. It's very small. So this is where you put the battery. So at first I thought maybe the pins they are same from my old, where is it? From my old GoPro. It seems they are different, but in terms of size they are all equal. Look at this. So this one is kind of big, but they are the same. But here they are different. You see this one? They're different. That's what I see. And what else? Even the camera, even the speakers, like the mouthpiece, or I don't know what do you call it. This one is on top. Then this one is on the front. And this one has got a rectangle or a square camera. This one got a round. This one is wrong. You just gotta hold on to your pride. That's it. What feels right in your heart and your soul. But I think it's just like you take this. I know you rather wanna fly than fight. Oh, but every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. So guys, this is what you do. So I figured it out, and this one is magnetism. This one is magnet. You see? So if you do this, yeah, this one is magnet. Alright. So that is not working, you know. Then I wanna check. Yeah, it's magnet. Okay. Look. This one is magnet. Then we'll go for the camera. After the camera, then we have got the microphone. This is the microphone. So this is the box. Then here we've got the mics. They are very small. So what you do is these ones. I always use them at if you remember my video with Kundai, Mr. Kundai's team, these are the ones we use. And that's where I cooked. You know, I'm a cook. So I just do this. Then it's good. We have this one. So this works. these two things. This one is for C type. Me, I use C type. This one. And then this one is for an iPhone. Those iPhone users. This one. So if you have your iPhone, you can come. Then we use it together. Because me, I don't use iPhone. Then inside here, I've got a little bag. A little bag. This one. Now I remember this one. Guess what, guys? This thing. I know you rather wanna fly than fight. I remember it. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. So this one is like you know, you guys, you ladies, you wear your wigs. This one is like you wear this one. It's to put on the top of the camera so that it can make noise. So good. What is that? So let me just put it back. And then I'm going to open everything, guys, so that you will see that this thing is mine. It's not mine. So this one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my past. Maybe these ones. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero. 'Cause I don't wanna give up. I don't know. You just feel like. I think this one you put it on your neck like this. Then you just put the button. Alright, that's what I think. It's like a magnet. Then this one is the same as the one we got open first. And these guys, they close these people so that you won't open them nicely. So this pattern is here, you just pull it. Just pull it here, then you put the mic here. That's the use. This famous use. Then we have got the charger and the cable. So I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. So expect new sound, new visuals. At first I didn't have the microphone, you know. So I'm just going to make a deal with you with those with this camera. That's the deal I'm making with this camera. I don't have the microphone. Maybe if I have, I could have just said I'm including it in the deal. So that's what I want to do, guys. So with that, just say peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground.